I've got a question for you. Well, two. What about you? What are you doing to take care of you? Meaning, what are you doing to make time for yourself on a day-to-day basis to be with your family, pursue a hobby, or just take a break from it all? As a barber, you're technically always on call, but this doesn't have to always be the case. For any business, being available to your customers is of the utmost importance, but equally as important is your ability to make time for yourself for personal reasons or in emergencies. Effectively managing your hours and your schedule will have a positive impact on your business and the way customers perceive your brand. The better you can communicate your availability and potential changes, the more transparency you'll provide to customers, which in turn builds trust. Welcome back to theCut You. I'm Eric, and in this video, we're going to teach you how to block out time on your busy schedule using theCut. Once you've set your hours and availability in theCut, you're able to add updates to reflect unexpected changes that may occur. In your Appointments tab, you can create time blocks for events on any date or dates in the future. On the Appointment tab, select the plus icon in the left corner, and then select Block Time. You can create all-day events or black out time in your schedule for a few hours. After you've created these blocks in your schedule, your availability will update in the app, and clients will not see those dates or times in your schedule when they're booking. These aren't recurring and will only appear on your schedule for the duration which you've set it for. So, if you have upcoming weddings or vacation plans, you have the ability to black out the dates, times, which you will restrict clients from booking during these periods and protect your peace. theCut provides a growing suite of tools to personalize your calendar and efficiently manage your schedule. These features give barbers more control and flexibility when you're planning out your work days. Your clients need you, but they really need you at your best, and you can't pour from an empty cup. Take care of you by making sure you have time set aside for yourself. We're at the end of our third module. Please comment below if you have any questions on how to customize your schedule for your needs. In our next module, we're going to get into how to take full advantage of payment processing via theCut.
Thank you for watching theCut You. Hit the link below to download theCut today and start your 15-day free trial. Join the other 10,000 barbers who are actively getting discovered by new clients and managing their schedules and transactions. Please hit that subscribe bell, like the video, and share with someone you think will benefit from what we've shared with you today.